So today in Cook the Book, I'm going to be making you a very simple dessert. Now, this is something that can be as sweet as you like or as not so sweet. I'm going to be baking for you mint flavored yogurt. So this is a baked dish and basically it has a whole lot of mint infused in the milk along with vanilla. Baked for 15 minutes. You leave it to rest, you leave it to cool and enjoy it at the end of the day. It is just so lovely. So let's start baking. This is milk that has been infused with mint leaves. It has been cooled because that's how you need it. So I've been cooling it for quite some time. And as you see, it has changed the color of the milk. Now into this goes condensed milk. Fresh, full fat cream. We have some yogurt. So this yogurt has been sitting in a strainer and that's why it is nice and thick. You do not want to add any amount of water to this mix. Now we're just going to whisk this all up. We're pouring some hot water into this dish. We're going to be baking this in a hot bath. And now this goes into the oven for 15 minutes at 115 degrees. Now what I'm going to do is take it out of the water bath, let it cool, and then I'm going to leave it overnight in the fridge. I think that's the best way and the optimum way to have, to actually experience what the flavor is going to be like. Yeah, there's a subtle taste of the mint. It's not too sweet. It's just the right amount of creamy. I love it.